Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite CAT question quantifier. So in the questions for the day today, we are again going to discuss two very good questions. One is upon our geometry and the other one is on time speed distance. Okay. Just a request, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to it. Please share the video with your friends, and I trust you this is one of the most informative and concise video you can find on YouTube. So please do share it. Okay. So it says as shown, two congruent 30, 60, 90 triangles are placed so that they overlap partly and their hypotenuse coincide. So these are the two coincident triangles. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C, let's say this is D. So ADB is congruent to BCA. Right, these are the two congruent triangles. Now, if the hypotenuse is 16 and the area common is A root 3, so what is the area common? The common area is this one. Right, up to this one. All this area is common area. And if the area is A by root 3, find A. We need to find the value of A. So basically, first of all, we need to find the common area only. And I know the triangle is 90, 60, 30. Okay, so by symmetry, let's say this is 30. This is 90 and this complete is 60 degree. Right, complete angle DAB is 60 degree. Now it is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. First things that I know, 30, 60, 90. Sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So if the side in front of 90 is 16, then this is 8 and this is 8 by root 3. So this is 8 and this by is 8 by root 3. Right, complete. So this is what I know till now. Since these two are congruent triangles, right? So they are perfectly symmetrical, or I can say this is nothing else but a trapezium only, right? Now, since it is a trapezium only, and these two are parallel lines, and I need to find the area of this. What do I know? What else do I know? I need to find these lengths in order to find area, basically. Okay. Can I say if this is 30 degree, then it is also 30 degree, right? Figure symmetrical है हमारी, ये 30 है तो अपना ये भी 30 है, right? Because this is 30, this is 30, this is 90, and this complete is 60, which means that this part is also 30. This is 30, this part is also 30, right? This is 30, this part is also 30, and this part is 120 degree, right? This part is 120. Now this is 120, this is 30, 30. This complete length is 8 root 3. This complete length is 8 root 3. This is 30. Okay. Now, what else we know? That if the triangle is 30, 30, and 120, the sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3. I can use that because I can see a lot of 30, 30, 120 triangles, right? So, what I'm going to use now is, now I know this is 120, right? ये 90 था, ये 30 था. This is 120, this is 30, this is 30. So if this complete size is 8 root 3, if this complete is 8 root 3, then 30, 30, 120. In front of 120, I have root 3, and the sides are in the ratio 1 is to root 3. So this is 8 and this is also 8. अब ये तो अपने पास 8 है ही है, verified है, और ये भी 8 आ गया अपने पास, right? अब now this is 8, done. So this is 8. Then I know this is 30, this is 30, this is 120. I can also find this length and this length, right? Again, if I apply 30, 30, 120 on triangle DOC, if I apply 30, 120 on triangle DOC, this is my 30 के सामने 8, 8, sorry, 120 के सामने 8. So this is 1 is to root 3. So it would be 8 by root 3, and this would also be 8 by root 3. So DO is 8 by root 3. Your DC is 8. Your OC is 8 by root 3. Now, I know since it is a trapezium and these two triangles are similar, obviously. This triangle and this triangle is similar, right? 120, 120, 30, 30, 30, 30 parallel lines. These two triangles are similar. If the two triangles are similar, then their areas are in the ratio of their side square. So, जो ये area का ratio होगा और ये area का ratio होगा, वो किस ratio में होगा? Area triangle AOB upon area triangle ODC would be in the ratio of 16 by 8 square, right? So that is 4:1. So if I am able to find this area, I'll be able to find this area also, right? Easily I can find that. So now what? This is 8. This is 8 root 3. So what is the area of triangle ODC? Area triangle ODC half into AB sin theta use कर लेते हैं. Half into A is 8 into B is 8 by root 3 into sin theta is 1 by 2. Right? Yes. So this area is nothing but 16 upon root 3 is this area. Now this area is 16 upon root 3. This area is 16 upon root 3. What is this area? This will be 4 times we just discussed. So this would be 64 upon root 3. Now this is 64 upon root 3, right? And the area is in the form A by root 3. A is 64. So 64 is the required answer. So I simply use the utmost basics that we should do for geometry. Nothing else. No advanced theorem. Nothing else. Just the basic use of similarity, our angle ratios, and nothing else. Okay. I hope the concept is clear to you. Let's see the second question. A very good question. It says Aisha started running from one end of a straight road at 0500 hours. Bhumika started running from the other end of the road towards Aisha at 0600 hours and met Aisha at a point P on the road. So she met Aisha on, let's say, point P on the road. Let's say this is point P. This is A and this is B. She started at 5 a.m. and she started at 6 a.m. Right? They met at 7 a.m. which means she has traveled for 2 hours and this person has traveled for 1 hour in order to reach the place. Now I need to find the ratio of the speeds of A and B. So whenever we have such question, remember we can say it is a hack, or we can say it is one of the easiest thing to assume. We can assume the ratios to be 1:k or k:1, anything. It will be the easiest task to do so. So how it will help me? Now let us simply think. If A is to B is 1:k, A की speed है 1 km per hour, B की speed है k km per hour, right? So can I say when A started traveling at 5 a.m. and reached point P at 7 a.m. and took 2 hours, so distance from A to P is nothing but 2 km. Okay, distance is speed into time. Speed हमने मानी है 1, time में लगा 2 hours, so 1 into 2, 2 hours, right? So this is 2 hours, 2 km. And this person, who was she? B say Bhumika. Bhumika traveled for 1 hour at the speed of k, so this distance is k. Now this distance is 2, this distance is k. The ratio of their speed is 1 by k. Now what is happening? For the second time, they are starting together at 7. पहले वो अलग-अलग time पे start हुए थे, but now they are starting together at 7. So Bhavna went up to point A, returned, and met again Aisha at point P. Again point P पे मिले, and similarly Aisha यहाँ से यहाँ गई और यहाँ पे मिले और same time पे मिले, obviously, right? क्योंकि वो इकट्ठे चले थे, अब इकट्ठे common point पे आए तो same time पे आए, right? So can I say the distance traveled by Bhumika is to this side and to this side? वो पहले यहाँ से यहाँ गई और फिर यहाँ से यहाँ आई, so 2 + 2 4 hours. Bhumika traveled 4 kilometers. And what about Aisha? Aisha went k kilometers this side and k kilometer return. So Aisha covered 2k, right? Aisha covered 2k. Now the distance traveled by them is 2k and 4 kilometers. So can I say distance is directly related to speed? So distance is 2k upon 4, which means the ratio of their speed is nothing but k by 2. Right? In the first scenario, the ratio was 1 by k, and in the second scenario, the ratio was k by 2, and these are both same ratios. ठीक है, यहाँ पे k जो 2k ट्रेवल किए, ये हमारा किसने ट्रेवल किया? ये आयशा ने ट्रेवल किया, और जो 4 ट्रेवल किया, वो 4 किसने ट्रेवल किया? वो भूमिका ने ट्रेवल किया, तो उनकी स्पीड की रेशो 2k upon 4, जो कि हमने assume की थी 1 by k. Solving it, you will get k square is equal to 2, and you will get k is equal to under root 2. So the ratio of their speed is nothing but 1:2. Now, had you assumed it to be x and y, you would be able to solve it, but it will require involve a lot of equations. Okay, I hope the concept is clear to you guys. If you enjoyed it, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a great day.